In this tutorial, I'd like to show you Random Text from Luca Visual Effects. Random Text creatively uses numbers, symbols, and text to produce ultra-stylized motion graphics in seconds. I'm in Final Cut Pro 10, but Random Text also works in Motion, After Effects, and Premiere Pro. You can find it in the Generators browser under Luca's Random Text. I'll drag it to my timeline. Right away, you'll notice the on-screen controls that allow you to position your text, choose a preset, edit your text, and add textures. Let's take a look at some of the 26 presets included in this effect. With so many options to choose from, the only limitation is your creativity. For our example, I'll choose Global Randomness so I can show you some of the parameters. First, you have 10 different styles to choose from in the drop-down menu. Use the sliders to adjust the glow amount and intensity. Next, you can manipulate the curvature of the text. Format your text, and adjust the pace at which it animates on screen. Click the Background checkbox to add a colored background and set its opacity. Using the on-screen controls, you have the choice of 10 different textures to add to your text and can make further adjustments in the parameters. With so many possibilities, Random Text offers a great combination of preset looks to use quickly, with custom options to make the effect all your own. And best of all, it's absolutely free. FX Factory offers a huge selection of great effects, and if you don't have them yet, I suggest you go try them out at noiseindustries.com.